Today we're going to make Magnolia cream cheese ube macapuno squares. Very, very popular. Ang ingredients na gagamitin natin from Magnolia, syempre yung cream cheese, 225 grams ito, equivalent to 1 cup. Syempre naka-ref, pero pag gagamitin na natin, room temperature para easier to mix. Then the other one from Magnolia is the original, 1986 pa ito. Ako ang nag-endorse ng produktong ito. We had the recipe, kompleto, and we got 49% of the market of another company. So, the other company had no choice but to buy Magnolia all-purpose cream, and they could not use it for 25 years. Now it's back in the market. I love this product because it's so malinamnam and it's really nice for everything. It's all-purpose because you can use it for baking or cooking. So let's start. First, we will make the crust. We have graham crackers. This is 1.5 cups. And then, we have 2 tablespoons granulated. Ang granulated table sugar lang po. Yung ginagamit natin sa kape. All over para easier to mix. And then we toss. Then we have melted Magnolia Gold Butter. Ito, Magnolia Gold Butter, is my favorite. Also, Morella and Ernest. Sa likod po nito, meron siya mga line. Ang one line is equivalent to 2 tablespoons. Another line, 2 tablespoons or 1/4 cup. Another line, 6 tablespoons or 1/3 cup. Another line, 8 tablespoons or half cup. So, we have to melt this or you can use softened. I like the salted kasi mas malasa siya. Then we put this. You can melt it or you can use softened. Tapos ipopour natin dito. Wow! Siyempre, sa pagluluto, kailangan simot dahil masarap yung ating mga ingredients. Then we spread. Okay? Pag hawak po ninyo ng rubber scraper, wag yung dito walang control, oh. Beginner yung gumagawa niya, mababa. Para po may control kayo. Then, syempre, pag may nakatingin, gagamit tayo ng pizza roller, or you can use a spoon, or takpan po natin ito ng cling. Pag wala na, syempre, pag wala nakatingin, kamayin nyo na lang. Yan, make it firm. Dahil mamaya, we will cut this into squares para hindi mahulog yung mga crumbs natin. Then, we set aside. Before the filling, ay unflavored gelatin. Ang unflavored gelatin, you have to put it first before you put the liquid. Para hindi ho siya bukol-bukol. Then, we put the liquid. Then, we get a fork. Let it bloom. Let it solidify first before you melt it. Okay? So, we set aside. Tapos, melt natin over low fire or you microwave 30 seconds on high. Then, we will make first the cream cheese. Magnolia cream cheese softened. Then, we will beat. Kung wala ho tayong hand mixer, medyo mag-exercise tayo with the wire whisk. Low. Then, yan. Medium. High. Then, we will put now yung condensed milk. We use condensed milk para very creamy yung ating cheesecake. Yan, condensed milk. Kasi no bake ho ito eh. Pero ang iba, like my husband, si Louis Smith, he likes to taste yung parang meron sugar. Then, of course, you have to be neat when you cook. We put the ube flavor. You can buy this in bottles in the supermarket. And then, the ube jam, available also in the supermarkets. At sa palengke rin, syempre. Then, we beat. Low speed again. Low speed. Wow! Ganda! Ito, nakikita niyo yung unflavored gelatin? Buo-buo na. We will dissolve over low fire or microwave 30 seconds on high. In the meantime, we will put my favorite. This is 1 cup. So we will only put half cup. See? Wow! Very cold, syempre. Keep scraping. Sayang yung ingredient. Ang sarap-sarap nito. Kaya all-purpose cream siya eh. Kasi pati sa carbonara, ang sarap nito. Okay, then we will beat. Now, creamy na, we add the unflavored gelatin. You add unflavored gelatin while hot para very smooth yung filling natin. Okay. Nice. Yan, no? Put first. Wow. This is Magnolia fresh or full cream milk. Siyempre, lahat ng gamit po namin sa cooking school, Magnolia, dahil champion. Ang aking saying, to get the best result, you must use the best ingredients. Low. Okay. Now, it's smooth. We turn off, then we will pour. Okay, like plancha again. We will pour. Wow, perfect. Okay. Ayan. Wow, ang bango, ang sarap. Siyempre, Magnolia. Then we spread. Okay. And we refrigerate. By the way, mga kapitbahay at mga viewers, ito, gawin yung 3 days ahead. Pag may party kayo, gano'n. Tapos, naka-refrigerate. Pag firm na siya at ready to serve, lalagyan natin ng macapuno with Magnolia cheesy. Ito. Okay? Oh, wow! Ang sarap. Then, we will put your grated, this one, Magnolia cheesy cheese all over. Aha! Wow! This is so yummy. Grabe. Wala pa ako nakikita na gumawa ng ganito. You might be the first one. This is our creation with my children, Ernest and Morella, who are both chefs. Pareho silang chef. Ang ating ginamit na macapuno ay 1 cup. 1 cup macapuno. And the whole package of Magnolia cheesy. Meron akong tip para sa inyo, mga viewers. Pag nag-grate po tayo ng cheese, aalisin syempre natin sa kahon. Tapos, wala na sa kahon, ito yung grater. Pag-grate, one direction, huwag yung up and down, yung ginagawa ng mga ibang housewife, maliliit ho ang lalabas yan. One direction when you grate. Okay? So, this is Sylvia Reynoso Gala. I'm shooting now in the school of my son, Chef Ernest Reynoso Gala, called Gala Stars Culinary. Bye-bye! See you again!